Good day. One week later, after making the tutorial for the sweet peas, I have made some adjustments. So I'm gonna share this before you at the start, and well, you've already seen. So what I did wrong was I've attached the medium template all the way, completely at the back to the large one. So, and that's not what meant to be. So I had to pull them back and rip them off, and then you can see what happened there. So you don't do that, okay? Just try to attach them. What I did was completely all the way here at the back, but just attach them like 1 centimeter. That's like 1/4 of an inch. Okay? You do that the same for the small one and the medium one to create it. No, you can leave the small and the medium one attached together as shown, but the medium to the large, just attach it like 1 centimeter and create this kind of looking. Let me see there. Do you see that here? It's does not completely attached to the back. So I have to repaint that, but yeah, I know I used pastels in the video, but I have to make some alterations, and I will be using I think just watercolor paint now to adjust that, so it shouldn't be too hard. As you can see, it already looks much different, better even, if I may say so. So that's it. Besides that, there are no other alterations that I think should be applied. So I'm gonna wish you a lot of fun making this flower up to part 1. Enjoy!